Hi students. So 6th class students, today we are going to complete your first chapter, knowing our numbers. Okay, I'm starting exercise 1.4. We have completed till exercise 1.3 in my previous video. Today we'll start exercise 1.4. First sum is write the numbers using commas according to international system of numeration. Okay, you have to put commas in these numbers. Okay, according to international system, not to Indian system. Okay, so first one is 976453115. So what is an international system? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Okay, in the Indian system lakh is there, but here in the international system what you have to take? Thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Instead of lakh you have to take 100,000. Okay, lakh is not there in the international system. Okay, then million, 10 million. If you see Indian system, what is there in the Indian system? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore is there. Crore is also not there in the international system. Okay, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and again 100 million is there. Okay, so we will separate hundreds, thousands, and million. Okay, first we'll write here 315. Okay, this is 315. Then 645. What is 645? 645,000. It is 645,000. Then 976 means, what is this? 645 we have taken. Again 97 is there. Okay, what is 97 here? 97 is, okay, million. It is 97,645,000 and 315. Okay. Second one is 200,48421. Again ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, 1,000, 10,000, then 100,000, million, 10 million. It is 421. First we'll separate this 100. Okay, then what is there? 48,000. Okay, again 48,000 is there. Then again 20 million is there. Okay, okay, got it. Next one, again ones, tens, 100. Okay, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. It is very easy. 476,356. Okay, 1,356. Okay, next is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, then billion. Here billion is there. What you have to do? Again we'll keep comma here. It is 834. 834. First we'll write, then ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, then 26,000, 0, 2, 6. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, 490 million. Okay, 490 million. Then what is there? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, then 9 billion. Okay, got it? Second one is collect the mobile numbers of your friend and other family members. Write them using commas and read them in international system. You have to collect the mobile numbers of your friend and other family members. Whose number you want to take, it's your wish. Okay, you can take the numbers and you have to write that, you have to keep commas and you have to read it in international system. Okay, so now I am taking here one number. Mostly the mobile numbers are in 10 digits. Okay, so I am taking here 10 digit number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you can take your friend number or family member, any number you want to take, you can take. Okay, so I'm taking here one number. This is not a mobile number. I'm randomly taking this number. Okay, so here I'm taking 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 4. So you can write this number in international system as, okay, ones, tens, 100. Okay, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. It is billion. So 2,345,000,000. Okay, 678,914. Okay, so you can write this like this. Okay, if the number are in 10 digits. Okay. One more thing, if your family members and your friend are in abroad, so the number will be extended. One number will be extended, one, two numbers will be extended, 11 numbers will be there. Okay, so you can take 10 billion. Okay, here we have taken 2 billion now. If one number is added like this, okay, it will become 12 billion. Okay, if one more number is there, like I'm taking here 6, it is 612 billion. Okay, got it? Third sum is write the numbers in words in both Indian and international system. Here numbers are given, you have to write the numbers in an Indian system and also in international system. Okay, first we will write this number in Indian system. Okay, so count the number from the right side. Okay, don't take from the left side, ones, tens, 100 like this. Take from the right side. Okay, ones, tens, 100. What is an Indian system? It is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, so here it is 12 crores. Okay, crore, 12 crore. It is 12 crore. Okay, then ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh means it is 31 lakh. Okay, 31 lakh. Then 10,000. 10,000 means what you have to take? 15,000. Okay, 1, 5. Then in the 100, 0 is there. Then 27. Okay, it is 12 crores, 31 lakh, 15,027. Okay, now international system. What is an international system? It is again ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 is there. Okay, then 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million is there. Okay, now again how you can write this? Million you have to take first now. So how? 123 million. It is 123, 123, 123 million. Okay, then 115,000. Okay, 115,000, 115,000 we are taking there. Then 0 to 7 is there. So what you have to write? And 27. Okay, if you want to put commas, you can put commas also. Okay, so in the Indian system, what is there? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 100,000 is not there. Okay, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore is there. Okay, now second bit is 89643092 is given. So here I'm taking an Indian system table. Okay, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, it is 8 crore, 96 lakhs, 43,092. Okay, so here it is 8 crores, 96 lakhs. Okay, 43,000. Okay, 43,000. 0 is there in 100 and 92. So we can write it as 8 crores, 96 lakh. Okay, 96 lakhs. It is 43,000. It is 43,000. Okay, it is 43,090. In international system, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, again here we have to remove this commas. You have to write this in international system. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Okay, it is 89 million. Okay, 643,092. So we can write it as, okay, we are taking 89 million, 643 in 1,000 and 92. Okay, so 89 million 643,000. Okay, 643,092. Okay, this is an international system. Now fourth one is read the number carefully and answer the following. Okay, read this number. Okay, carefully and you have to answer this question. The first question is the digit at millions place. Okay, what is there in millions place? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 2 is there. Okay, million, 2 is there in the millions place. Okay, 100 place, what is there? Ones, tens, 100. And in the hundreds place, what is there here? 4 is there. Okay, so the digit in 10 million place, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 0 is there. Okay, 0 is there in 10 million place. Okay, now how many millions are there in the number? How many millions are there in the number? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million is there. 302. Okay, 302 million is there. So you can write it as 302 means you can write it as 300, okay, and 302, TWO2 million. Okay, exercise 1.5. First problem is the number of people who visited games village during Commonwealth Games in New Delhi. Okay, in New Delhi, one Commonwealth game held. In this, the number of people who visited in the village for the first 4 days are, it is 15,290. Then ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, it is 14,181, 14,235, and 10,578. Okay, these are the people, okay, who visited during Commonwealth Games, okay, in the 4 days. Okay, find the total number of people visited in these 4 days. Total number means you have to do here addition. Okay, you have to take these 4 numbers and you have to do addition. Okay, in the word problem always you have to write first given. Okay, given the number of people who visited games village during Commonwealth Games are, you have to write all numbers. Now we will do the addition. Total number of people are, okay, we'll write all the numbers. Okay, now we'll do the addition. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is 14. Okay, 1 we will write here, then 4 here. Okay, then 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 18. Okay, 18, 18, then 19. Okay, what is 19 plus 9? It is 9, 9, 18, 2. It is 28. Okay, 2, 8. Okay, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is 12. Okay, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is 14. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1 is there here. It is 5. It is 54,284. Okay, total number of people are 54,284. Second one is in Lok Sabha election, the elected candidate got how many votes? 5,87,500 votes, and the defeated candidate got 3,52,768 votes. How many votes did the winner win the election? So what we have to do here? We have to do here the difference. Okay, difference between the elected candidate and the defeated candidate. So I'm giving an example. If the elected candidate got 4 votes and the defeated candidate got 3 votes. So how many votes did the winner win the election? Means what we have to do? 4 minus 3. Okay, only 1. Okay, answer is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1 now. So like this, we have to write first given the total number of elected candidate. Okay, it is 5,87,500. Okay, votes. Then defeated candidate got 3,52,768 votes. So now we have to do here subtraction. 5,87,500, then 3,52,768. So here we can't do 0 minus 8. So what we will do here? We'll take one borrow here. It will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 8, 9, 10. It is 2. Okay, here 9 is there. 9 minus 6 is 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 3. Okay, here 4 is there again. 4 minus 7 we can't do. So we'll make it as 14. Okay, 4 is there. 1 borrow we are taking. It is 14. 14 minus 7 is again 7. Okay, Here 6. 6 minus 2. Okay. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4, 5, 6 na 4. Okay. So here 8 minus 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 3. Okay. Then here it is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is here 2. It is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. It is 2,34,732. Okay. So we can write as total number of votes did the winner win the election are 2,34,732. Okay. Third problem is write the greatest and the smallest number formed by the digits 5, 3, 4, 0 and 7. Find the difference. Okay. Here we are taking number as 5, 3, 4, 0, 7. We have to find out the greatest number. Okay. So here among these which is the first greater number? 7. Okay. First we will take 7. Okay. 5, 3, 4, 0, 7 means 7 is the greatest number. Among these 4 which is the greatest number here again? 5 is there. Okay. So again we have taken 5 now. Then 3, 4, 0 is there. 3, 4, 0 among this which is the greatest number then? 4. 4 we are taking. Okay. Then 3, 0. 3. Then 0. Then the smallest number. Smallest number means we have to see the small number. Okay. Small number which is a small number. First we will take 3. Okay. Then we will take 0. Okay. Next we will take 4. Okay. We have taken 3, 0. 5, 4, 7 is left. Among this which is the smallest number? 4. Okay. Then we will take 4. Among 5, 7 which is the smallest number? 5. Then 7. Now we will do the difference. Difference means we have to do here subtraction. Okay. 3, 0, 4, 5, 7. 0 minus 7 means we can't do it. So we are taking one borrow here. 10 minus 7. Okay. What is 10 minus 7 again here? It is 3. 7, 8, 9, 10 now. It is 3. Here 2 is there. So again 2 minus 5 we can't take now. So we have to take one more borrow here. 12 minus 5. Okay. What is 12 minus 5? It is 7. Again here 3 is there. Make it is 13. Okay. Again 13 minus 4. It is 9. Okay. 13 minus 4 is 9. Again 4 is there here. 4 minus 0 is 4 again. Again 7 minus 3. What is 7 minus 3? It is also 4. Okay. It is 44,973. Okay. Bicycle industry makes 3,125 bicycle each day. Okay. In each day how many bicycles bicycle industry makes? 3,125. Find the total number of bicycle manufactured for the month of July. Okay. In July how many days are there? 31 days are there. So we have to multiply these 3,125 with 31. Okay. So given a bicycle industry makes each day how much? 3,125. In the month of July 31 days. Okay. So 3,125 into 3, 31. Okay. 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 1 is 1, 1 3 is 3. Okay. Now again 5 3 is 15. Okay. 1 I am taking here, 5 here. Okay. 3 2 is 6, 7. Okay. 3 2 is 6, 7. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. Then 5, 5 6 7. Okay. 7 plus 1 is 8, 3 plus 3 is 6, 9. Okay. It is 96,875. So the number of bicycles manufactured for the month of July are 96,875. Okay. Fifth one is a helicopter covers 600 kilometer in 1 hour. Okay. In 1 hour, how many kilometers the helicopter covers? 600. How much distance will it cover in 4 hours? Express your answer in meters. So given helicopter covers 600 kilometer per hour. Okay. Per hour helicopter covers 600 kilometers. Distance cover in 4 hours means what you have to do? 600 into 4. What is 600 into 4? 6 4s are 24. 0 0 you have to take. It is 2400 kilometer. It is in kilometer, but we want the answer in meters. In meters, what you have to do, 2400 kilometer into 1000 meters. Okay, so 24 ones are 24. Again these two zeros you have to write here, again these three zeros. It is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It is 24 lakh meters. Okay. Now sixth problem is the total weight of a box of 5 biscuit packets of same size is 8 kg 400 grams. Okay. So the total weight of a box of 5 biscuits packets of same size. Okay. Same size is 8 kg 400 grams. What is the weight of each packet? So given total weight of 5 biscuit packets of same size is 8 kg 400 grams. So we have to convert this kg again into gram. Okay. Here 400 grams are given. Na? So 8 kg we have to convert this 8 kg into grams. What we have to do? 8 into 1000 grams. Okay. 8 into 1000 plus 400 grams. 8 into 1000 is, it is 8000. 8000 plus 400 grams means it is 8400 grams. Okay. So now what we have to do? Weight of each packet. Each packet means what you have to do? You have to divide this 8400 with 5. Okay. 5. 5 divided by 8400. So 5 ones are 5. I am taking 8 minus 5 is 3. It is 3400. Okay. 400 I am taking here. Then 5 6 are 30 I am taking. Okay. 5 6 are 30. Okay. 30. 3400 minus 3000 means what you have to do? Again 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 3 is 0 na. No need to take it. Okay. 4 minus 0 is 4. 400 I am taking here. So again 5 8s are 40 I am taking. So 40 minus 40 is 0. 1 0 is left here now. You have to write this 0 here. Okay. If the answer comes in 2 zeros, you have to take 1 0 here. So it is 1680. 1680. Okay. 1680 grams. Okay. So the weight of each packet is 1680 grams. Okay. Seventh one is the distance between the school and the bus stop is 1 kilometer 875 meters. Every day Gayatri walks both ways to attend the school. Okay. Gayatri walks 2 times in that way. Okay. So find the total distance walked in 6 days. Okay. So what is a given here? Distance. What is the distance between school and the bus stop? It is 1 kilometer 875 meters. Okay. 1 kilometer means you have to convert this again into meter. How you have to convert into meter? Again you have to take 1000 meters. Okay. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter now. So 1 kilometer 875 meters means 1000 meter plus 875 meter. It is 1875. Okay. 1875 meter. Then distance walk each day. Each day what you have to do? 1875 into 2. 2 times Gayatri attending now. So what you have to do? Into 2 you have to do. 1875 into 2. Okay. It is 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14, 15, 8 2s are 16, 17. Okay. 2 1s are 2, then 3. It is 3750. It is 3750. Okay. So what you have to do? 6 days. Total distance walked in 6 days. Okay. Total distance walked in 6 days means 3750 into 6 you have to do. 6 zeros are 0. 6 5s are 30. Okay. 6 7s are 42, 43, 44, 45. It is 4, 5. Okay. So 6 3s are 18, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. It is 22,500. Okay. So you can write it as 22 kilometer 500 meter. So this is the answer. Eighth one is the cloth required to make a shirt of school uniform for each boy is 1 meter 18 centimeter. Okay, the cloth required for each boy to make a school uniform is 1 meter 80 centimeter. Okay, how many shirts can tailor stitch using 40 meter of cloth? Okay, tailor is taking 40 meter of cloth. Okay, how many shirts he can make, then how much cloth is left. Okay, we have to find out this. So given length of each boy uniform is 1 meter 80 centimeter. Okay, so 1 meter means again we have to convert this meter into centimeter. We can't take meter and centimeter, okay, at a time. So 1 meter means 1 into 100 centimeter plus 80. Okay, then 100 centimeter is 1 meter now. So 1 into 100 into 1, it is 100 plus 80. Okay, 100 plus 80 is 180 centimeter. So we have got the answer in centimeter. So here shirts tailors is using 40 meters. 40 meters means again you have to convert this meter into centimeter. What you have to do again, 40 into 100 centimeters. 40 into 100 is 4000 centimeter. Again you have to take this 4000 and you have to divide this with 180. Okay, so this 0 gets cancelled. 18, we are dividing this 18 with 400. 18 2s are 36. Again this 0 I am taking here. 10 minus 6, it will become 10 now. 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, then 10 minus 6 is 4. Here 3 is there. 3 minus 3 is 0. So 4 is the remainder here. So what is the quotient here? 22. You have to write as 22 shirts. So the remaining problem is 22 shirts we have got. Okay, into what you have to do, each boy cloth. Okay, required to make a shirt of school uniform for each boy. It is 1 meter into 80 centimeter means what we have got, 180. Okay, it is 180. So we have to do 180 into 22. 2 zeros are 0, 8 2s are 16, 1 2s are 2, 3. Okay, thus 2 zeros are 0 again, 8 2s are 16. Okay, 1, 6 I am taking again, 2 1s are 2, 3. Okay, try it one more time. Okay, in your books. 6. Okay, 6 7 8 9. Okay, it is 3960. So it is 3960. So again, total cloth left, how you have to find out? 4000 minus this you have to do. Okay, this 3960. Okay, 0 0 minus 0 is 0. Then here I am taking this as 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. One borrow I am taking here. Okay, so here 9 is there now. So 9 minus 9 is 0 again. Okay, so 3 minus 3 is also 0. So the answer is here 40. Okay, so 40 meter cloth is left. Okay, ninth one is the cost of petrol is rupees 60 per liter. Per liter the cost of petrol is rupees 60. A petrol bunk sells 750 liters of petrol a day. Okay, on a day how much the petrol bunk sold? It is 750 liters. Okay, how much money do they get at the end of the day? Okay, what we have to do, given cost of petrol, what is the given here? Cost of petrol is 60 per liter. Okay, rupees 60 per liter. Total sold, what is the total sold here? 750 liters. So what you have to do, 750 into 60. Okay, 0 zeros are 0, 0 5s are 0, 7 zeros are 0. Again 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30. Okay, 6 7s are 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay, so it is 45,000. Okay, so the answer is here 45,000. Okay, so what you have to write, how much money means, it is for rupees 45,000. Okay, or you can write as they get rupees 45,000 at the end of the day. Okay, so congratulations, I am very happy we have completed our first chapter. Okay, so I will explain next chapter in my next video. Okay, till then stay safe. Bye bye.